Facebook ad copy sa ad image, does it really matter or it all boils down to the amount? Like, the higher the amount, the better.
Definitely. Ad copy. Ad copy is a big factor. Ad copy is a big factor. Yung image, yung text. Now here's one of the biggest advice that I can give you on Facebook ads. When you create a Facebook ads, you don't want to look like an ad. Because pag nakakita tayo ng ad, anong ginagawa natin? We skip. May picture ako na nasa kuron ako, yung nakaganon ako, parang naka-selfie. Right? Yung maybe it's just me. Nabasa niyo ba yun? Yung maybe it's just me. It doesn't look like an ad. It looks like an article. So pagka shinare ng friend mo, it's like someone shared it. Nagigits niyo? We read when someone shares it, right? Again, the secret here, especially sa mga yung market na hindi masyado gusto ni Facebook, like Negosyo University, yung market namin hindi masyado gusto ni Facebook. We have to be really, really sharp and creative. And that's my biggest advice. Do not let your ad to look like an ad. Make sense ba? Okay. So anong criteria? What does it look like? So gawin mo, punta ka sa Facebook, tingnan mo yung mga post ng friends mo. Ano ba yung pinopost ng friends mo? Ano ba mga itsura nila? Halimbawa, photos. Ano pinopost ba ng friends mo? Professional photos or amateur photos? Ha? Amateur photos. So do not post professional photos. Use amateur photos. What are the words na ginagamit ng mga friends mo sa Facebook? Yung mga tipong ano ba? Mga tipong go, buy now, blah, 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 blah. Ganun ba pinopost ang friends mo? Hindi, di ba? Normally, their story, right? So, ganun din. Ganun din yung Facebook ads. Make sense? Okay.
Thank you.
Komisyon ko ha, pag kumita na ha.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching.